Show y'all these mangoes are still looking good. Let's pick these two off the tree. They smell, ooh, they smell real good. Ooh. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know how these mango taste. Make give y'all a look sneak peek. I know some when I took them off the tree, they were smelling real good. Look at the juice. You can see the juice going on the knife. Oh yeah. Alright, y'all, this is the mango here. It's another piece. This definitely look good. I dropped it. Oh, you can see, look at the water it's leaving on my hands. Gotta let you know it's juicy. Yeah, look at that. You see that glistening?
Why can't the red just be one?
Let's see what it tastes like. Oh.
Wow.
Alright, y'all. Y'all see that? Let's see what it tastes like. I still need some time. Not the best mango I had. It's definitely sour and sweet. I wouldn't say sweet, but it's sour. Oh, y'all. We gotta wait for some other mangoes to get done. Nice sour taste to them. Then again, these weren't all the way right. We just knocked these off because they was already turning yellow. But they definitely juicy. You can definitely put these. I know down here, usually in the flea market, they usually do them like this. They chop them up and put some vinegar, salt, and pepper in them. That's probably perfect for them type of mango lovers. These mangoes are perfect for it because they got that sour taste, like how you like them. Tastes pretty good though. I'm probably make me a drink with it. Alright, just finna cut these up. Finish cutting these up and make a little drink. Alright, finish cutting them up. Put them all in a cup. Look at. Alright. Then added the liquor in it. Suck up that liquor real good. Got a nice ice cube. Finna put some sweet tea in there. Tea. Come to life. Nice little shot. Isn't that a nice little shot, yo? Put the sour lemon in there. Not the sour lemon, the sour mango. Looks good. Tastes good too.